Hi family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole. So tonight, one of my favorites, even though I haven't had it in a while, not even cook it, and all-time favorite, me not lie. Make that focus look a bit. Chicken back. Yes, chicken back. Me have 4 pack here. 4. And they not wasn't bad. And they have a lot of meat on them too. You don't find them like this often. So yes, I bought 5 pack. Me I cook 4 tonight. Alright, so I'll curry them here. I'll clean them up, come back and everything. Season them up with, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of paprika, black pepper, the usual season. I'm not for sure of that. And then what I eat it with, I already nail the dumpling over the rest, banana, pumpkin and yam. Yeah, tonight dinner. Let me tell you something. This is not what I went to the store for. And I was looking for some chicken feet, but they stopped selling it with the bone. And I saw these. I was like, you know what? This is dinner tonight. So let me go deal with them here. And then when I'm ready, I come back. I'm going to show you how I hang them. Yeah. All right. I'll be back. Okay, family. So the chicken all seasoned up. I put in the flour now. Water boil as you can see. And salted. I add salt in it. So I run like late 7:30. I'll be home, so I stay up late tonight. So it's alright, so dumpling going in. Today is Friday, happy Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend as well. Wish it was a 3-day weekend, but we have one trouble. So hope you know whatever plans you have this Friday, this weekend, you must save with it. Be careful with it and everything. So I'll go ahead and add in the dumpling here. And I'll be back. Okay, so dumplings are in. And now I'm going to put in the pumpkin and the yam them. Alright. Pumpkin 1. Pumpkin 2. And jump in the aisle loop. Y'all, I'm old school. Alright, so let that go. And next is the banana. I'm not coming back for showing you guys the banana. I'm just going to peel the bananas and then I'll be back. Alright, family. Mr. May not come back, but banana in, dumpling in, yam in, pumpkin in. That is it. This part is done. Now move on to the meat and the meat picking back up. Alright, family. So curry, my burnt curry. And then now I add in the chicken. Okay, this one I'm putting the chicken low. Could I? Man, come on, man. Come on. I had to turn off this burner because this pot. If y'all have any suggestions for a nice stainless steel pot, I would love to have that. Any suggestions at all? Because I'm trying to find a good set and I can't find one. Because the reviews online about this pot, the reviews about what's in the pot, what made the pot, it's just too much and it's getting so overwhelming here. I don't much know which one to choose anymore. I wanted to go with my husband was showing me the one with who is that? Chef Ramsay. I don't know, then I don't know. Y'all any suggestions, y'all, please. Ain't a good pot set. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this up. Let it spring its own water. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do in this bowl, I'm gonna add everything up, my onion, garlic, ginger, thyme. I don't think I have scallion. I'm gonna put all of that in this bowl, wash it out with some water. Okay, family, so bell pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic, and a scotch bonnet pepper. And then I'm gonna add some more water, just a little bit more. I'm using hot water actually. Okay, that's something I don't need. All right, so I'm just gonna stir this up, and then when it's done and I'm ready to plate, I'll be back. I'm just gonna let this just go ahead and finish cook because I know I'm mostly bone, but this one is good. They have a lot of meat on there, so let me go ahead and let this finish, and then I'll be back when I'm ready to plate. Okay, family, I changed my pot. This how the chicken back a look. Yeah, yeah. And I will turn it now for just, go down some more, give it a little bit thicker, but it tastes good. Which we gonna look at it. It look good. Yeah, that's what we're on. Look good and taste good. Taste good better. Taste good better. So next time you see me, I will be. Okay, family, there you have it. Dinner is served. Curry chicken broth with dumpling, yam, and banana. I'm gonna get down with a nice glass of. I'm gonna do water. Psych. Until next time, you guys, don't forget to comment, and subscribe. And until next time, please take care of yourself and each other and all the wonderful stuff. Bye.